Good day everyone, welcome back to BST African Electronic Surgery. In this Thursday, 4 April 2024. We have some kind of job which are not common. We have this tablet. This tablet came in from one of our customers, and what the customer is saying the tablet just went off. No life, no sign of life. This is some kind of NEONiQ model NQT-74GiQ. So let's see what is inside this box. We have like the manual book for the tablet. Okay. And that's the tablet. That's the tablet. So what I want to do, we have the USB power meter here on top. You can see it's 5 volts. So I'll plug in the cable here, and we'll try to read the current. Let's check on the current. 41, 29. Okay, let's wait. Like 270, the current is jumping. 410 millions, 200 something. And trust me, this is some kind of if you see something like that on the USB power meter, just concentrate on the battery first. Either we have a dead battery or a highly discharged battery. I don't think this has got some power issue. Obviously, if I see something like that, I know the charging port is good. I know the charging IC is good, but it's trying to negotiate with the charger. But for some reasons, we have nothing on the screen. So let's get inside this. Let's take out the starter pack for the customer. Let's try to see. Just easy to open. Okay. Some speaker things stuck here. So that's the tablet. That's the tablet. That's the tablet here. You see that tablet? We have the battery here with 2 wires, plus and minus. Let's take out this sellotape thing. Let's check the battery voltage. Let's check the battery voltage. Plus, and we have like 0 volts. We have like 0 volts. So that explains why we have jumping current when we plug in this tablet on charger. So what we have to do, let's try to put some power on the battery. Let's try to put some power on this battery. Maybe we can bring this back to life. Or it's time for another battery. What do you think about this? Ground plus, and it's taking 3.1 amps. You can see here it's taking 3.1 amps. So based on the current is not decreasing very fast. We can say we still have a good battery, but only that the battery is highly discharged. Maybe the customer left the battery for the tablet for a while without using it, and the battery got discharged. You know, the relationship between charger, charging IC and the battery. When the battery is at 0%, must have around 3.85 volts, fully charged 4.4, 4.5 depending with the phone. So if the battery get discharged below the minimum voltage, which is 3.8, if it get discharged, when you plug in the charger, there will be no communication between the charging IC and the charger to charge the battery. But we'll try to charge the battery and see if that is the only problem with this tablet. Because 0 volts, that's not normal. We can't have charging the battery sign, like the charging sign, when the battery is at 0 volts. When your phone is at 0%, there must be minimum voltage, which is always there to communicate with the charging IC to charge the battery. But if the battery goes to 0, something will be wrong with the battery. So I think that's the story with this tablet. Yeah, we're charging the battery. Now it's taking 2.9 amps. You can see here on my DC power supply. Now let's plug in the charger. This must be a quick repair. Plug in the charger. Check. What did I told you? Neon, it's working. Huh? Now it's taking 710 and we have the battery charging side. Huh? That was a quick repair on a Thursday. Check the current. Now it's on volts. Now it's on current. It's now stable. 740 milliamps for such kind of tablet is fine. Huh? What a nice repair on a Thursday. Power on the tablet. Which one is the power on button? Yeah, the tablet, it is on. Huh? Phone repairs. Huh? Is this not nice? And the tablet is on. Huh? The touch is not responding. Okay. But all the connectors seems to be connected properly. Okay. But the good part, we now have a working tablet. Why it's not working? Let's try to restart the tablet if we can. It's now restarting. So that was the issue with this tablet. That was a battery issue. A battery issue. The touch is not responding. So why the touch is not responding? Who knows why the touch is not responding? I want to disconnect the plus and try to concentrate with the touchpad. So where is this connector for touchpad? See here, that's the connector for touchpad. And here we have the touchpad IC. Let's do some little tricks here. Let's do some little tricks. Let's do some little tricks here. What do you have here? This IC next to the connector, I believe that's the touch IC. Okay. And we have the connector just next to this IC. What you can do in this case? What we can do here? Let's see. Flux. Temperature. .350. We don't need to move too much the hot air because bad things can happen on the connector. Straight on the chip. I just want to see the chip moving. That's all. Okay. We have some bridge here. And we need to take out that bridge. Let's check out that bridge. Okay. Now everything looks better. Everything looks nice here. So it's that moment to test, to see if that can solve the problem. While we are cooling the chip, I think we can charge the battery a little bit again. We can charge the battery. Let's charge the battery a little bit. The chip is too warm. Can use thermal pad here. Just help to cool the chip faster. So I thought that was the battery, but we have a secondary fault. So now we are connecting back the touchpad, and then connecting the plus. Connecting the plus. And is that moment to test again? Let's power on again. Now it's taking 840 milliamps. On. The tablet is now on. I want to see if we now have a touching tablet taking 920 milliamps. The current is increasing. It's not touching. Why? Do you have a faulty touchpad? Anyone knows why this tablet is not touching? Because all what I can see is a crack here. The touchpad is cracked here. So probably that's the reason why it's not touching. Because we have a crack here. No, it's not touching. It's not touching. And these are some kind of fake tablets. You can't get this touchpad in the market. Let's do the last trick. What I'm doing before confirming that the touchpad is faulty, before we confirm that the touchpad is faulty, we need to do some tricks on the board. We need to do some little tricks here. But according to what the customer explains, he explained your child was using the tablet just fall down, and from that moment just stop working. So when the tablet fall down, number one, it's very common for the battery to get discharged instantly, like to go back to 0 volts. And when the tablet got discharged, the battery is no longer working. At the same time, it's very possible to have like a fault touchpad, like for the digitizer to fail instantly. It's very common. Yeah. The only way is to test with a different touchpad, which I don't have. I don't have the touchpad, so it's hard to test this one. But you can see the crack. Maybe you can't see, but here we have a crack here, which is going this way. Here we have another crack here, which is going this way. And here we have another crack here. We have like 3 cracks. So that explains why the touchpad is not working. I know sometimes it's not the issue, but in our case, that gives a clear explanation why the touchpad is not working. Let's see. What do you have on the battery? 3.55. 3.55 is not good. So even this battery, I don't think is good. I don't think it's a good battery. But let's just assume it's good. For the purpose of testing the touchpad, I think we can. I think we can. Let's charge. But I think that should be fine. Let's plug in the charger. You know what? There's no even reason. It's taking 950 milliamps. Okay. There's not even any point to waste time on such kind of things. 14% charging, power on. The tablet is on. There's not even point to waste time on this kind of tablet. This is some kind of Chinese fake tablets. You can't get the touchpad. It's not worth to spend hours trying to diagnose why it's not touching. Because I can see from these 3 clicks, we have a fault touchpad, and it's some kind of waste of time. Yeah, the tablet is on, but it's not touching. But at least we see how we can diagnose a dead tablet. That was a highly discharged battery, but another problem emerged, which we can't fix at this moment because I don't have this digitizer. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. You know what? When I see a discharged battery, I thought it was like a Christmas, but it's not. So I'll try to get proper jobs in the future, especially on phones. So see you on the next one. Bye.